So that's looking onto the viaduct. Like with these things though, the best view isn't always from on top of the viaduct, so I'm going to take that path down to the left, and before I walk over the viaduct I'm going to have a look at it from a better vantage point over this stile. It's going to be too windy to talk here, so I'm just going to play some music while I show you the footage. It's a beautiful piece of engineering. I had a lot in the wind for a moment there. Retaining wall. I'm going to be walking over and walking a little bit. You can see the lime kilns in the distance there. Right, again, it's going to be too noisy with the wind, so I'll just walk you over and play some music or do some editing over top. I'm genuinely struggling to keep the camera straight walking over here as the wind attempts to take control. The Smardale Gill Viaduct crosses the Scandal Beck at almost 30 metres high at its highest point. There's 14 arches and a total length of 170 metres. If British Rail had their way, the viaduct would have been demolished, but instead it was listed and saved, and British Rail even contributed the cost of the demolition towards the repair of the structure. It's thanks to the dedicated volunteers and the tireless work of the trusts involved that we can enjoy walking over it today.